Many. But let me use these two as a point of contact to every one of you that are here. Our religious leader, Bishop of Etche, and other clergy that are here. The royal fathers of both Etche and Omoma. Our local government chairman, that of Etche and that of Omoma, as a point to others that are here with us, permanent secretaries, head of agencies, distinguished guests, gentlemen of the press, ladies and gentlemen. I will start with giving you a small background on why we're here or taking this project as our first activity for showcasing what we've been doing when we don't make noise. Showcasing what we are doing when they are battling to starve us from fund. We were here about 5 months ago when we came to inspect the extent of job that was ongoing in Omoma. I stand to be challenged. Omoma, for more than 8 years, have not witnessed any project. It was in our administration that we awarded Umuakale in Berry Road. The road is almost completed. And when we came, I said, how can we be going to commission a project and the access road is bad? You just imagine having a very beautiful parlor, and before accessing the parlor, you have a dirty, what do you call it, ante room or so. So I said, no, that we must, no matter what it will cost us, ensure that the access road to Omoma is properly fixed, so that when we are going for Omoma to commission that project, it will be an easy and smooth drive. So what we're doing today is the parlor, well, I say the ante room of the occasion. The main occasion will be in Omoma. I have to also say that the contractor didn't disappoint us. Even when we're struggling to meet the basic need of government, what are the basic needs of governance? Protect the life of your people and their property, provide services. Even when they are working to make sure that we can provide services, we have to staff. We are determined to make sure that our people are happy. And we said, whatever it is that will cost us, we must make sure that we do this. So I'm happy the contractor didn't disappoint us. I'm also happy that the community, both Etche and Omoma, gave us the needed support. Etche rienwo, Omoma ngonwo. Why? Am I not your deacon and one again? But whenever you are sharing land, make sure that you invite me to gain from it. Let my DK not only be DK when you want to collect. Let it also be DK when we are sharing, so I can collect too. Let me thank everyone, more especially our wonderful supporters. Let me assure you that this is just the beginning. We did not forget the issue of the General Hospital. Not just General Hospital, the completion of the zonal hospital. We are going to do it. We are not those people who believe in flag off. If we have to do flag off, we must tell you the significance of that project That is why there are a few of them we're going to flag off. And when we get to that flag off, I will tell you the story behind it. Somebody mentioned here, when we came on board, there is some part of the road connecting Imo State. Because the road had a few meters to an opposition politician, the project was ended. In fact, in front of the man's gate. For so many years, they suffered. Politics is not about being wicked, being vindictive. No. It's a service. It doesn't matter where the person is. I'm not the governor of PDP. Although my chairman are from, what's that, the name of that party? I'm the governor of Rivers State. So I owe everyone the responsibility of caring, providing, and protecting. So that's, I want you to know. We're going to come back. Those ones we want to commission is a straightforward thing. Those ones we want to flag off, there is history behind it. So when we go for that, I will also tell you the history. But today, we're starting to showcase what we have done in those months when people are asking, what are we doing? Where is the fund? I'm happy to say here, I stand to be challenged. I have never borrowed. This administration has not borrowed. The only money we borrowed was the one we used in the Ring Road, and everybody is aware of it. Go and bring any paper. Go to debt management office, and check if we had asked for anything. We don't need it. What is important is the little we are getting, we are applying it rightly. You are aware of the situation that even while I'm still having difficulty with money, I paid salary, not just paying salary. We implemented the above 70%, 70,000 minimum wage. It's showing our commitment, showing our love for our people. So we want to assure you, we will not let you down. Continue to believe in one Rivers State. Believe in Rivers first. The users of this road, the chairman said something here. Please, the security agencies and others should ensure that they try as much as they can to provide adequate security here, which is also very important. It is not just we building the road, but the security for the road should be there, at least to save the life of the commuters here. Let me thank everyone again. Assure you that our eyes are on the ball. We're not going to fail you because you have taken too many risks for us. We must ensure that we make you proud. Let me, on this note, invite the Deputy Governor, former Governor, and other leaders to join us as we officially commission this road. Thank you.